Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. If you want to feel like you are showering in a luxury hotel, then you're going to want to get one of these shower curtains.
This is a no hook snap-in liner shower curtain from Tititex. It is so nice. I love that it has this replaceable liner on the inside that just snaps in and out, and how this entire thing is machine washable. The hookless system is so great because you don't need to have extra shower curtain hooks. It just snaps right onto your curtain rod. And if you want to just wash the inside liner, all it does is snaps right out super easily. You toss it in and snap it right back on. It takes almost no time. And I love how beautiful this is, and it really does feel like one of those luxury hotel curtains. It really gives you that feel, and it's just so beautiful. Look at the colors in this. I couldn't recommend it more highly.
I love this shower curtain. I think it's so beautiful and so easy to clean. You are going to absolutely love having it in your home, and that's my point of view.